Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to pay for your Netflix subscription using your JazzCash account. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Netflix website, or simply launch the Netflix app on your device. Sign in to your existing account. If you're setting this up for the first time, follow the quick on-screen prompts to create a new account, choose the subscription plan that works best for you, and click Next. When you arrive at the payment method screen, select the credit or debit card option. This is where you will use your JazzCash Mastercard. You can easily find these details on your physical JazzCash card or by viewing your virtual card inside the JazzCash mobile app. Carefully enter your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, the CVV security code, and the name on the card exactly as it appears. Once all your details are entered correctly, simply click Start Membership. Your payment will be securely processed, and your Netflix account will become active immediately, and that's it. A quick and hassle-free way to manage your Netflix subscription using JazzCash. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more direct guides, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.